Forza Horizon 6 error. Sign in required. You may not proceed without being signed into a profile. 1. Restart your PC and Xbox app. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart Xbox app and your PC. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Sign into Xbox app properly. Open Xbox app on PC. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure the correct Xbox profile appears. 3. Sign into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Log in using the same Microsoft account. Avoid using different accounts for Store and Xbox app. 4. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router if needed. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 5. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Also repair gaming services. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe and press Enter. Wait for store reset to finish. 7. Sync date and time automatically. Open date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Remove old account credentials. Open Credential Manager in Windows. Delete old Xbox Live or Microsoft credentials. Restart your system and sign in again. 9. Run Steam Xbox app as administrator. Right-click Steam or Xbox app. Select Run as administrator. Launch Forza Horizon 6 afterward. 10. Reinstall Xbox app or game if needed. Uninstall Xbox app or Forza Horizon 6. Restart your PC completely. Install fresh copies and sign in again.